All right, so today we're beginning our Unit 2 vocabulary, and here are the words. Record the definitions or the translations on your vocabulary list. ¿Qué clase tienes tú? ¿Qué clase tienes tú means what class do you have? To respond to this question, you would say, yo tengo la clase de, and then insert the name of the class. Inglés, English. Educación física, physical education, or PE. Historia, history. Ciencias, science. Matemáticas, mathematics. Español, Spanish. Mi clase favorita es. My favorite class is. Adjetivos, adjectives to describe classes and teachers. La clase es. The class is. Difícil, difficult. Fácil, easy. Divertido, fun. Muy, very. Interesante, interesting. Aburrido, boring. Exigente, demanding. Fantástico, fantastic. All right, so this is a checkpoint, time to check for understanding. Answer the question in Spanish in a complete sentence using the picture to help you. ¿Qué clase tienes tú? You would respond with what class that you have in Spanish. So you want to say, I have, and then the name of the class. To say I have, you put, yo tengo la clase de, and according to our vocab list, the word for math is matemáticas. Example 2, ¿qué clase tienes tú? Again, it's asking us, what class do you have? So you want to start the sentence off again with, yo tengo la clase de. Let's look at our vocab list for the word for history class, and it is historia. Good. Yo tengo la clase de historia. ¿Qué clase tienes tú? Yo tengo la clase de ciencias. All right, talking about your favorite class. If someone were to ask you, ¿cuál es tu clase favorita? They're asking you, what is your favorite class? So using this picture, what would we say the favorite class is? We would say PE class or physical education. So to say my favorite class, we would say, mi clase favorita es. The word for PE in Spanish, looking at number 3 on your vocab list, educación física. Mi clase favorita es educación física. ¿Cuál es tu clase favorita? Mi clase favorita es inglés. To describe a class, you would use the sentence starter, la clase es, and then insert an adjective. So you're saying the class is, and then whatever adjective you want to use to describe the class. Notice that the adjective should always be in the feminine form when describing a class because clase is a feminine word. ¿Cómo es la clase? What is the class like? Looking at this boy's face, I would say that it's probably boring. So I want to say the class is boring. La clase es aburrida. ¿Cómo es la clase? Take a moment to look at your vocab list, and then we'll share the answer. La clase es divertida. ¿Quién es tu profesor? ¿Quién es tu profesor means who is your teacher? Es mi profesor or profesora means is my teacher. Señora Boudreau es mi profesora de inglés. She's my English professor or my English teacher. Coach Trevino es mi profesor de geografía mundial, my world geography teacher. ¿Cómo es, Señora Boudreau? The same way that you would describe a class, you can describe a person. You put their name, S, and then the adjective, or you can replace their name with the appropriate pronoun. So I could say, ella es, which means she is, graciosa. And we know that she's graciosa because the students are laughing. Here's some additional vocabulary words that will not be on your test, but that may be useful to know for this unit. Arte, computación, salud, health, banda, corro, atletismo, baile, el béisbol, el baloncesto, basketball, el fútbol americano, el golf, la lucha libre, la natación, el softball, el tenis, el voleibol, el almuerzo, y ya es todo.